What's up?
You know what this is all about?
What now?
In this car, when it's winter time and it's cold, and you put the heat on, it's full blast.
You only have 4 speed?
I only have high.
Oh, you only have high?
That's it.
Show me what it does.
Here, look.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
If we put the ignition on, we got on panel, okay? If we go to low, fan, low, I got no juice. Now when I put it up to high, see? The blower's working, okay? Now, if I put on low, I got nothing. So we're gonna go change the resistor right now.
Here's your resistor. This is the thickest one, has the most resistance. This is for the first speed, let's say, the slow one. And then you got, you know, faster and faster. And then like he said, the 4th speed is direct. This is a diode. Oh, it's like some kind of an adapter, probably superseded, probably for another car. This is in case your car needs it. A lot of times, you know, they give you the plug because the plug on the car is different. Or sometimes on resistors and stuff, a lot of times the plug melts. So this might be one of the 2 ways. It might either be that the plug is different than this, or they give you the plug because it melts. It gets destroyed. It takes up makes a lot of heat.
Okay, pull it out. You cannot drop the bolts, otherwise you dropped it.
Nice, that's the way to do it. Yeah, that's original. That's old. Wow, that thing's shot. I bet you the diode's bad or something like that.
Probably something like
Sometimes it's a connector from in here that shorts out.
Yeah.
Inside the plug area. The springs look good. The resistors, to be exact. Well, go ahead. Come on.
Well, here. Of course, I got a Dorman one.
Yeah.
Only the best.
Can you imagine? I can't believe they make it.
They got a lot of stuff for classic cars. Let's give it a shot. To drive in a Lincoln and not have all 4 speeds,
Hey, if
you're gonna
get dirty, you gotta get dirty the right way.
I'm saying. So now we're gonna put this on panel. This is low. I can already hear the fan. Okay.
Hey, if you're gonna have a glass of wine, you gotta have the good stuff. That's the way to do it.
That's what I'm saying. So now you got your heat back. You got a radio.
That's the tape that was in the car when you bought it. Don't look at me.
Obviously.
All right, put the rest back on.
Put this together.
Taking over the world!
No.
Done!
One set of Dorman resistors getting fixed on the 82 Lincoln Continental so we can be more comfortable with all 4 speeds of that fan, and we can be in the warmth while the snow comes and everything else.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.